Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay. This is my channel Make Money with Jay, and I upload videos how to make money on KDP, on Etsy, on YouTube, and selling video creation tools. But the majority of it is I'm making printables and colouring books and different books for KDP for my business. Yeah, it's my business is one of my businesses is the Christmas Everyday Club. Yeah, this is the website. But this video itself, and if you come to this website, you can get some free colouring pages and activity pages and all that, guys. But the video is not about that. The video is about saying thank you because I have reached 3,000 members in my Facebook group. Yeah, this is the group Christmas Everyday Club. Yeah, come and join it. We post we post it every single day. It's a fun group, and I give away freebies as well, guys. So if you come over to the featured section, yeah, you click on that and you'll get lots of different freebies. So I just want to say thank you, guys. And as a thank you, I'm going to create some colouring pages and give them you for free. Yeah, I'm not going to sell them on Amazon. I'm going to give them you for free. Now, all I do, I come over to Canva. I have gone over to Creative Fabrica, and I have typed in Christmas norms, norms, and I'm going to create some Christmas pages for you with norms, yeah. So come over to Creative Fabrica and feel free to check it out. The link will be in the description. If you want to make your own Canva, you can sign up for free. But let's get into it, guys. Yeah, all I've done is put a border on, yeah, and come and have a look at these. Well, these are actually 4th of July norms, but we'll come over to all the rest of them because I've downloaded quite a few different ones. So let's get started. Yeah, which ones do I use? We can get some norms on the page. Yeah, we can make these bigger. Put him in the corner like that. We can get his mate. Yeah, still have his friend there. Yeah, and we will have make that a bit smaller. Put a bit of holly. And maybe a candy cane. If you want to make that a bit thicker, guys, if you want to, you just been told to do this. You just create a few more, copy a few of the images, yeah, and line it up, and it starts to make the line thicker. Yeah, as you can see there. Yeah, maybe. Then we can go on to the next page, right? We will have maybe have that norm for the holidays. Yeah. And it's just about playing around with it, guys. This is all I do. We'll have a norm behind him. We'll have maybe it's this one again, yeah. It's like a reef into it, guys, yeah. A bit of holly on either side. Copy that, put it on this side. Not sure we put that in the corner like that. Norm for holidays, yeah, and just creating simple things. Let's use some different ones, right? Let's use this dude here. Yeah, it's like a little Christmas norm with a candy cane. We will have him with his friend holding like a Christmas tree. We can have maybe what this one holding the present. Yeah, guys. There's another one. It's so simple, isn't it, guys? Let's try some more. Let's have this one. This is all I do, guys. I just play around. I upload them. Yeah, let's have a Christmas tree. We'll have the Christmas tree. Love the Christmas tree, just sticking out a little bit. And all I do, guys, I just do this, put it backwards, and there we go. Yeah, little gnome there. We can maybe make him a bit bigger. So Merry Christmas. Nice Christmas tree there. And we can have some stockings. I'm going to turn it a little bit so it kind of like yeah, looking good, guys. Yeah. Do we have anything else on that? Maybe a star. It's a bit. I'm going to say it looks a bit thick. That. And all you can do if you want to make these look a bit more Christmassy as well, you can just play around and add some extra little features, guys. You know what I mean? Like put a few stars over the page. Yeah. Just something simple like that. Same for that. If you want to do that, you put some extra stuff in it, right? But for the sake of this video, we'll just do it like this, right? So let's make some more. Shall we use this one? Yeah, this one's like baking, isn't it? He's like making a Christmas cookie or something. Yeah, gingerbread house. I mean, it's right there. I mean, it is gnomes, so let's get some more gnomes, yeah? This one. Put it backwards, guys, and also it's not like doing that, yeah? And let's put a little star on it. A little star cookie. I'll have this one smaller though, guys, yeah? Just to break up a bit of this, get rid of a bit of this white background. Yeah? And this is how simple it is, guys. Now, these might not look like your brilliant, like, colouring pages, but kids love them. They're nice big pictures. They're easy to colour and they're fun. Well, I think they're fun anyway. I think we should make some more, yeah? I mean, we can have... let's get some more gnomes on here. This guy here. Yeah? And then all you can do as well, you can get some text on it in a minute, yeah, guys. Let's... I don't know what he's doing. So let's make him a bit smaller. Yeah. And then what you can do, get some text. Sorry if I keep going a bit quiet on you guys, and just let's get caps on, yeah. Merry Christmas. Oh. I make that mistake all the time. Let's get rid of the V. We don't need the V. Let's do like that. Let's line spacing, get it a bit up like that, and then move it up, make it as big. Make it as big as we can. Then what I do, guys, you go into effects and you go to hollow, and there you go. There's a nice little Christmas picture. Yeah. So there, guys, are 5 different pages. I'm going to make some more, but because for the sake of this video, I don't want to drag on. So I'll make some more, guys, and I will upload them, and you can have them free. Now, if you come over to the Christmas Everyday Club website, they will be on here, yeah, guys. I will upload it to here, so it'll probably replace this here. that will go onto this page, yeah, and it will have its own free Christmas gnome colouring pages, guys, yeah. Like I said, feel free to come and get as many different freebies as you like. So that is today's video, guys. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and come and check out these other videos of mine, because I show my passive income, I show different niche ideas, I show different free colouring pages and how I create them, guys. I also show you lots of different stuff, guys. So feel free to come and check it out. Until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.